Hi everyone, I am here for part 4 of 5 to showcase different items that you can use to display your wood signs. We have created a product line for you guys to do just that. So after you've painted your signs, great ways to display them. So I'm going to show you a few ideas that we have. And you're going to wonder what exactly this is. So we have 4 kits here that we're going to display, and then we've got one for purchase. This one here we call our Narrow Riser, our Narrow Farmhouse Riser. And this is a DIY kit, and you're going to see it comes in all of these different pieces. It does come with paint. You either get the choice of black or brown, and this riser is really great for narrow spaces, for bathrooms, for mantles, kitchen shelves. So the way this works is you can paint all your pieces separately. Whoops, let me just get those sorted. Then this would be your bottom. So if you wanted to glue them, you could. And then you use the other two. This will create a little bit of a step. So that gives you your riser right there. So it is super versatile. Again, you can stack them or you can put them separately, even on a dining room table for a beautiful display. It's not too high, but it's perfect for all those tiered tray pieces. And then the next set here is our Farmhouse Riser. So this one is painted in brown, and it is painted with milk paint, so you can see that you can see the wood grain. And you can make it as distressed as you want, which is a lot of fun. It is a messy product to work with, just that it creates a lot of dust, but I love the final results. So this one here comes in 3 pieces. It has, whoops, sorry. There we go. The middle, so the bottom, the middle, and then the top. And again, you can display those separately as well, or you can stack them with all of your wood pieces. So that has those really pretty feet, is what we call them. I don't know, I'm sure there's a technical name for it. And those are all assembled, and then you would just paint them as is. We make these in-house, so you can see that this is already assembled for you, already glued into place, and all you have to do is paint it, and then you have the fun of displaying it the way you like with all of your pieces. This is something new that we've come out with here, and this is the 3 little steps. We call this our mini stands, set of 3. And so you can see that those are just, again, really nice just to create different depth so that you can prop your wood signs. This one is glued with the 3 little half rounds on the bottom, and then you've got the 2 different sizes, and they're all varying heights. So that is, again, really nice option for displaying your wood signs. So that's called our mini stands. Mini stands. And then our favorite is the tiered tray. This one is available in white and in black. So if you have a kitchen island or somewhere where you can decorate all around, it does, I believe it fits underneath the kitchen counter. I don't have mine under my kitchen counter. I'm actually gonna have to double check on that. The measurements are in the link. It's beautiful on a side coffee table as well. So some different options for you to decorate with. Now this one comes flat packed, and again is available in white and black. And it's just super fun to decorate with year round. In fact, we have many customers who have it in the white and the black, so you can switch it out for seasons. So again, these are just different DIY kits and different ways of decorating your small wood signs from our tiered tray kits. So you can learn more about that by checking out our website, and I'll put those links directly in the comments below. And I'm going to show you tomorrow actually how to use these pieces with our tiered tray signs that we just showed you in parts 1 to 3 on how to paint. So anyways, now's a great time to shop our website too. We've got these all in stock. And if you're on our newsletter mailing list, you will know why. Super exciting. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing night. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them below.